Hello dear students, welcome back to chemistry classes. Today we have to know some isomerism in coordination compounds. Isomerism in coordination compounds. Isomerism in coordination compounds. Then what do you mean by isomerism? Isomerism is nothing but compounds having same molecular formula, compounds having same molecular formula, but different or differ in the arrangement of atoms around it is in case of central metal atom, it is in case of coordination compounds, that's why around central metal atom, or ion, around central metal ion is called isomerism, is called isomers, and the phenomenon is called isomerism, isn't it? Take an example of anything, that is cobalt NH3 5 times, see it is a Br, same thing cobalt NH3 for 5 times, sorry 1 minute, SO4. Take the another example, cobalt NH3 5 times SO4, see this is a Br1 SO4, then Br outside, like this. Compounds having same molecular formula, 1 cobalt NH3 Br SO4, cobalt NH3 Br SO4, same molecular formula, but they are differ in their arrangement of atoms around the central metal atom, here 5 NH3 group, 1 Br group is arranged around the central metal atom, here 5 NH3 group and 1 SO4 group is arranged in the central metal atom or surrounded by central metal atom, isn't it? Like this, compounds having same molecular formula but differ in their arrangement of atoms around the central metal atom is called isomers, and this phenomenon is called isomerism. Got it? In the isomerism, there are again classified into two types. Isomerism, this two types, isomers, two types of isomerism is there. One is structural isomerism, structural isomerism, and stereo isomerism. One is structural isomerism, another one is stereo isomerism. Then in the structural isomerism, again classified into four types. that is ionization isomerism. Ionization isomerism. Ionization isomerism. Second one is solvate or hydrate. Solvate or hydrate isomerism. Solvate or hydrate isomerism. Solvate or hydrate isomerism. Third one is linkage isomerism. Fourth one is coordinate or coordination. Coordinate isomerism. Like this. Again, structural isomerisms are classified into ionization isomerism, solvate or hydrate isomerism, linkage isomerism and coordinate isomerism. While in case of stereoisomerism, there are again classified into two. Those are geometrical isomerism, then second one is optical isomerism. Like this. One is structural isomerism, second one is stereoisomerism. In structural isomerism, ionization isomerism, solvate or hydrate isomerism, linkage isomerism, coordination isomerism. In case of stereoisomerism, geometrical isomerism is there and optical isomerism is there. Let us know one by one in detail. First one, that is structural isomerism. Structural isomerism. Structural isomerism is nothing but compounds having same molecular formula, but they are differ in their structurally arrangement of atoms around the central metal atom. Compounds having same molecular formula, compounds having same molecular formula but differ in their structural arrangement of atoms or group of atoms around central metal atom. Around central metal atom are called structural isomers, and the phenomenon is called what? Structural isomerism. See here, structural isomerism is compounds having same molecular formula but differ in the structural arrangement of atoms or group of atoms around the central metal atom are called structural isomers, and the phenomenon is called structural isomerism. In the structural isomerism, again we have to classify into four types, that is ionization isomerism, solvate or hydrate isomerism, linkage isomerism and coordination isomerism. In that we have to know first one, that is ionization isomerism. These are important 2 marks. 2 mark important. Ionization isomerism. Ionization isomerism. Ionization isomerism. Compounds having same molecular formula, same definition it is. Compounds having same molecular formula, compounds having same molecular formula, but they give different ions, when dissolved in water. When dissolved in water are called ionization isomers. And the phenomenon is called ionization isomerism. For example, take an example of cobalt amine 5 times Br SO4. Take the same cobalt NH3 5 times SO4 Br. The compounds having same molecular formula, but different in the ions when they are dissolved in the water. When these compounds are dissolved in water, this compound produces the sulfate ion. This compound produces the sulfate ion in water. This compound produces the Br ion in water. So compounds having same molecular formula, but they give different ions when they are dissolved in water. Such type of compounds are called ionization isomers, and the phenomenon is called ionization isomerism. Okay, next one is second one is solvate or hydrate isomerism. Then solvate or hydrate, the name itself indicates the presence of water molecule in the complexes. See, compounds in complexes, compounds having same molecular formula, compounds having same molecular formula, but different number of water molecule, in the coordination sphere, in the coordination sphere inside the complex, inside the complex. Compounds having same molecular formula but different number of water molecule in the coordination sphere inside the complex are called solvate isomers. And the phenomenon is called solvate isomerism or hydrate isomerism. Compounds having same molecular formula but differ in the number of water molecules in the inner coordination sphere inside the complex are called solvate isomers, and this phenomenon is called solvate isomerism. It is also called hydrate isomerism. It is for 2 marks question in your annual examination. Cobalt H2O, then Cl, same cobalt H2O, here 6 time, here 5 time Cl H2O. For that 1 Cl have to make inside, this is a Cl, cobalt H2O 6 times, Cl2, cobalt H2O 5 times, Cl2, but 2 ions are outside, here also 2 ions are outside, but what happens, difference in the number of water molecule inside the coordination sphere. That's why solvate isomerism is nothing but the compounds having same molecular formula but differ in the number of water molecules in the inner sphere of the coordination sphere inside the complex is called solvate isomerism or hydrate isomerism. Next concept is, it's the third one. Next concept is third one. That is a linkage isomerism. Linkage isomerism. Compounds having same molecular formula. Compounds having same molecular formula but differ in ligating atoms, but differ in ligating atoms to donate electrons around central metal atom, or to donate electrons to central metal atom, forms isomer, form compounds are called linkage isomers, isomers, and the phenomenon is called what? Linkage isomerism. Linkage isomerism. For example, chromium NH3 5 times ONO. Here ligating atom is oxygen. This is the ligating atom. Take the another example. It is same chromium NH3 5 times. Here NO2 is the another example. Here what happened? Chromium, here 5 times NH3, ONO. Here ligating atom is O, oxygen. For this chromium NH3 5 times. Here ligating atom, electron donor atom is nitrogen. Means compounds having same molecular formula but differ in the ligating atom to donate the electron to the central metal atom, form the complex, are called a linkage isomers, and this phenomenon is called linkage isomerism. Okay, last one, that is it is also important for 2 marks. Then last one, that is a coordination isomerism. Fourth one, coordination isomerism. Complexes having same molecular formula, complexes having same molecular formula but differ in interchanging of but differ in interchanging of ligands between cationic and anionic entity are called coordination isomers, and phenomenon is called what? And phenomenon is called coordination isomerism. Got it? For example, cobalt NH3 6 time, then chromium Cn 6 time. This is going to interchanged by cobalt Cn6, then chromium NH3 6 time. Like this, compounds having same molecular formula but differ in the interchanging between the cation and anionic entities are called coordination isomers, and the phenomenon is called coordination isomerism. Got it? These are 4 important isomers they may ask in the annual examination. It's very important for your annual examination. Okay.